Lipo batteries deliver the performance needed for drones, remote control vehicles, and other high-powered hobbies. But they also demand careful charging to stay safe and efficient. That's where a reliable Lipo Charger comes in, ensuring balanced cells, faster charge times, and built-in safety features that protect both you and your gear. From compact options for beginners to advanced models with multiple charging ports, there's a solution for every need. In this video, we'll explore the best LiPo chargers to keep your batteries powered and protected. If you want to see the price and find out more information about these products, you can check out the links in the description below. And make sure you like the video, subscribe our channel, and hit the bell icon for future updates. Without further ado, let's get started with the list. Starting our list with number 5, we have the SUPULSE B3V2 Lipo Battery Charger. If you want a compact, no-fuss way to keep your Lipo packs healthy, the SUPULSE B3V2 is built for you. You get worldwide AC 110 to 240 volt input and a maximum charge current of 3 times 800 mAh, so you can top up multi-cell Lipo batteries quickly and consistently without extra adapters. The charger uses separate balance lines for each cell, ensuring every cell charges independently. This helps prevent over- or undercharging and extends overall battery life. You'll appreciate how easy it is to use. Each battery pack connects to its corresponding balance port, so setup is simple and repeatable. A dual-color LED keeps you informed at a glance. Red means charging, green means you're ready to go. No scrolling menus, no guesswork, just clear feedback every time. Designed for your field bag or workbench, the B3V2 measures 92 by 59 by 35.5 millimeter and weighs only 0.31 pound, so it's lightweight, compact, and easy to store. Whether you're maintaining packs between sessions or getting ready for a quick run, this charger fits your routine. Choose the SUPULSE B3V2 when you want reliable balance charging, straightforward operation, and a space-saving design that protects your batteries and your time. Plug in, connect the balance lead, watch the status light, and head out with confidence. At number 4, HTRC C150 Lipo Battery Charger. If you want a fast, flexible charger that treats your packs right, the HTRC C150 belongs on your bench. You get dual input power, AC 100 to 240 volt at home or DC 11 to 18 volt in the field, driving a 150 watt high-performance circuit. Set exactly what your packs need with 0.1 to 10 ampere charge current, 0.1 to 2 ampere discharge, and up to 10 watt discharge power. A cooling fan, dedicated power switch, and a handy 5 volt 2.1 ampere USB port keep your setup tidy, while the fire-resistant shell adds confidence. You'll charge smarter with live diagnostics. A battery meter shows cell count, total voltage, capacity percentage, and per cell voltage. Check lithium internal resistance, balance cells, and use digital DC power when you need a stable source. Smart battery support helps you move quickly without guesswork. When you want advanced control, terminal voltage control lets you set lithium end voltage from 3.85 volts to 4.3 volts per cell. That's powerful for performance tuning and storage care. Use only if you're experienced. Built-in safeguards work continuously. Low input voltage protection, automatic current limiting, delta peak sensitivity, capacity and time limits, and temperature thresholds. Save up to 20 profiles, so favorite setups are one click away, and keep features current with firmware updates. At just 0.92 kilogram with 15 volt DC output capability, it's compact, road-ready, and designed for consistent results. So you protect your batteries while getting every milliamp of performance you paid for. Number 3, we have the Aorika L6X2 Lipo Battery Charger. If you want a fast, field-ready charger that protects your packs and your time, the Aorika L6X2 delivers. With 2 fully independent channels, you can charge 2 different batteries at once, perfect for back-to-back flights or heats. Each channel manages its own settings and balance routine. Just don't mix different batteries on the same channel. You're in control of speed and cell health. Choose charge, balance charge, discharge, storage, or cycle, and let the charger monitor and balance individual cells for consistent performance over the long haul. A built-in battery meter and auto cell count detection simplify setup, while up to 20 memory profiles let you recall your favorite packs and start charging without re-entering data. Operation is straightforward. The large clear screen makes mode selection, voltage, and current adjustments quick and intuitive. With output up to 22.2 volts and a current rating to 20 amperes, you have the headroom to handle high voltage packs and faster turnarounds when you need them. The compact, portable design slips easily into your pit bag for remote control or drone competitions. More thoughtful touches include high power, high precision control, and adjustable parameters to match your chemistry and capacity. For safe use, power the unit by AC or DC. Never both at the same time. Choose the L6X2 if you want dual port efficiency, easy profiles, and smart safeguards that keep you flying and driving more and waiting less. At number 2, OVONIC X1 Pro Lipo Battery Balance Charger. If you want pro-level speed, safety, and control when balance charging your packs, the OVONIC X1 Pro makes your workflow faster and smarter. Delivering up to 300 watt on AC power, or a blistering 700 watt 16 ampere on DC, it shortens turnaround time for larger batteries while keeping cell balance tight. With output up to 25.2 volts DC, it's ready for high voltage packs, yet remains portable at just 0.98 kilograms. You get deep practical tools for performance and longevity. Choose from balance, fast, discharge, cycle, storage, and more. Then fine-tune with temperature reading, parameter correction, safety timer, capacity cutoff, voltage check, resistance detection, and auto power off. Save your go-to setups as profiles and keep an eye on accumulated charging times to track usage. Brightness and sound settings keep alerts visible and audible in any environment, while a self-test function and firmware upgrades help the charger stay reliable and up-to-date. Efficiency is a standout. Thanks to synchronous rectification, the X1 Pro reaches up to 98% conversion efficiency, outperforming Schottky-based designs, so less energy is wasted as heat and charge sessions finish sooner. Safety features have you covered. Overvoltage, overtemperature, overcurrent, short circuit, and reverse polarity protections add confidence every time you power up. Choose the X1 Pro if you want a fast, flexible, safety-first balance charger that streamlines setup, protects your packs, and lets you spend more time running and flying and less time waiting. And finally, the number 1 of our list, Venom Power Pro Duo Lipo Battery Charger. If you want faster, smarter charging for your remote control or drone packs, the Venom Power Pro Duo keeps your batteries ready with less downtime. 2 independent 80-watt ports let you charge 2 batteries at once. And because each channel is separate, you can run different capacities or states of charge simultaneously. With DC output up to 18 volts, you get the headroom your packs need for efficient, consistent results. You stay in control of performance and longevity. Use balance charge to keep cells even, fast charge when you're short on time, discharge or cycle to condition packs, and storage mode to park batteries at the right voltage between sessions. A built-in battery meter helps you verify status quickly, and you can save up to 5 battery profiles so your go-to setups load in seconds. Safety is built in. Internal temperature monitoring automatically stops charging when your set limit is reached, helping protect packs and giving you peace of mind while you prep the next run or flight. At just 2 pounds with an integrated carry handle, the Pro Duo is easy to bring to the field, track, or bench. Compact, sturdy, and organized. Choose the Venom Power Pro Duo if you want reliable dual-port power, thoughtful battery management tools, and a streamlined workflow from setup to pack ready. As always, you will find all the links of these products in the description below. Comment below and tell us which Lipo charger you are considering. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, then like and share this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more amazing videos like this.